welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is DIY with Sarah Renee. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I have two projects to share with you today that are both very simple but very show-stopping. I'm sure most of you all have seen the Dollar Tree box upgrades to where they look really beautiful on a shelf. And there's maybe like a little tassel there on the front to show, you know, like an opening of some sort, like a little handle. Well, I have that for you today, but with my own textured spin. You guys know that I love to add elements that are not what everybody else is going to be using. I love incorporating textures and things that add a little bit more oomph to a piece versus just being a flat, solid matte or satin finish to it. So I do have that to show you guys today, but I also incorporated something that's very, very small, but very show-stopping. Most people love to burn candles in their home and use typically just like the long lighter or something like that. Well, what if you had something that was like a talking piece in your home? Something that held matches versus a lighter. Something that you made and no one else is gonna have. I have that in store for you today as well. Before we get started on today's projects, please make sure that you like this video and that you subscribe to my channel. I am too excited to keep rambling on before we get into these projects. So let's get going, Sarah. So if you guys are ready to dive into these two projects, come on with me. Let's go create. So, what did you guys think? Please make sure that you comment below which was your favorite of the 2 projects from today's video. I would love to hear what you guys thought about the adding of the texture to the typical Dollar Tree box upgrades. And what did you think about that mattress holder? I love that thing. I think it is adorable. I think it is high end. And to think I probably paid about $5 for all the supplies. So I think that's a pretty good steal. Before you leave, please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.